goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips, work the legs. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to find yourself a ramp and a plate or a weight. It doesn't matter. Choose your own fate. And what I want you to do is you're going to be in an offset stance on the ramp. So in this case, my left foot's going to be further back. My right foot's going to be a little bit in front. And where I'm at, I kind of got basically the front of my left foot right in the middle of the arch of the right side. So it's about that far away. So I'm here. I'm going to shift my weight back so I'm pretty heavy on the heels, but you don't want to be so heavy that your feet are lifting up. So you want the toes to be chilling like Bob Dylan. So you're going to shift back, get a nice hip tuck, exhale, and then what I want you to do is you're going to inhale, you're going to reach the weight towards the ground, not lifting up. Keep the tuck, go as low as you can, exhale, scoop the hips as you come up. You're going to feel quads and glutes working, and you're going to just repeat that out. Just like that. If you can't get that low, that's okay. You can always hold at any point in time as well. Let's go one more. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.